Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone tips and tricks. This is one of the reasons why a lot of Android phone user battery drain quickly. Some of them is app secondary launch and app running launch. Some of this app enable right here, it's run in the background. And as a result of that, you wonder why some of the Android phone battery drain quickly. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to simply disable some of the background running app that can drain your Android phone battery in a few seconds. So with that being said, let's get started. So you can see auto app launch management. So what you want to do here is to go ahead, and I'm going to simply exit from here, and then we want to make sure and close this tab. Then we want to make sure we proceed from the settings right here. Go ahead and open up your phone settings, and the next thing you want to do is to scroll down here, proceed to battery on your Android phone. The next thing you want to do right here to scroll down and make sure you proceed to auto launch management. So here you go. The first one here is app auto launch. So all apps in the background is running right here if you have some of these buttons turned on right here. So all the apps you have in your Android phone is going to be present right here. Don't allow the apps auto launch. It will say it. Don't allow the app auto launch. It will help save power and memory on your phone. What you need to do is to simply disable all these. Boom. And the next thing you want to do here is to go back right here and then go ahead and simply click on app secondary launch. So under the app secondary launch also, don't allow the app secondary launch. It will help save power and memory and may have an impact on the functionality of the associated app. So this one here also, go ahead and simply disable them all. Boom. And with that, the battery lifespan of your Android phone is going to last very longer, and some of the apps will be effectively functionally on your Android phone. It's that simple, and you get more storage memory on your Android phone. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.